Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Easy Voice Recorder app. First, locate and open the Easy Voice Recorder app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, you'll see a prominent microphone icon in the center of the screen. Simply tap this icon to start your recording. Remember to speak clearly and keep your device close for optimal sound capture. It's super easy to begin capturing your thoughts, lectures, or conversations with just one tap. After you've finished recording, simply tap the stop button, usually a square icon, to end the session. Your recording will then be automatically saved. To find your saved audio files, navigate to the recordings list, typically accessible from the main screen. From there, you can easily play back your audio, rename files for better organization, or delete any unwanted recordings. This gives you full control over your captured sound bites. The Easy Voice Recorder app offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can customize the audio quality, choosing between options like high fidelity for professional sound or lower quality for smaller file sizes. Additionally, select your preferred recording format, such as MP4 for broad compatibility or WAV for uncompressed audio. Explore the Skip Silence feature, which automatically pauses recording during quiet moments, saving valuable storage space. Once you've captured and refined your audio, sharing is straightforward. You can easily share your recordings directly from the app using various methods, including email, popular messaging applications, or even cloud storage services. For more permanent storage, export your files to your device's internal storage or transfer them to a computer. Always remember to back up your important audio files to ensure they are safe and accessible whenever you need them, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.